And that sunset that you showed us moments ago, just incredible.
You know, and it is the precursor to a big change coming in the weather for us. We get a nice sunset. Sometimes things change quickly. Chopper 5 out and about over the top of what appears to be Mount Olympus or in that general vicinity, looking out over the mountain ranges, and you can see how rugged they are. It's hard to tell from the valley, but when you're up high, now why are these guys out running? They are true, dedicated runners out on the hillside. There they are way off in the distance. How about some beautiful pictures of skiers at Snowbird? Jared sends us this photograph. Can you see the skier? That is what we call a facial. Snow right up over the shoulders and into the face. And a beautiful background with the blue and the sky and then the snow and the powder. There's more on the way. In fact, many ski areas will see 2 to 4 feet of snow between now and Sunday morning. Temperatures today, some highs and lows. Rock Springs 26, Montpelier 32. Beautiful day in the Bear Lake Valley. Elko 39, Moab was 53, Cedar City 43, and St. George 54. We all will see a change. Every single part of Utah will see some snow or rain from this storm. Right now, we're beginning to see thick clouds develop over the state as the first in a series of storms begin to impact the region. It's all because of a huge ridge of high pressure out in the Pacific and a low pressure zone picking up very cold air. Now, you can tell this air is very cold because it's coming off of the coastline of British Columbia, and as it moves out over the ocean, you can see the speckly clouds. That's an indication of bitter cold Arctic air, and you can still see it right here. These speckly clouds indicative of temperatures that are unseasonable for this time of the year. In fact, in the Portland area around Salem, they're expecting record snowfall from this storm system. It's already beginning to snow, and it will snow tonight through tomorrow there. That same storm will send a piece of energy through northern Utah, the first in a series of storm systems. Watch as it develops during the afternoon tomorrow. Here it comes right across the area Thursday, so snow increasing, and then a potential Williams wave with this event. That's a Nevada low, and if that happens, somewhere in central and northern Utah will get pounded by 6 to 12 inches of snow, and typically that could be the Wasatch Front. It could be Fillmore, somewhere in that area, Fillmore up towards the Utah-Idaho border. In the Uinta Basin, you'll see the storm as well on Friday. Saturday, wind. It actually warms up when the wind blows in the Uinta Basin. Same thing for Price and Castle Country. Snow will fall on Friday and Saturday. Lingering showers on Sunday. In the southeastern part of the state, you'll wait till Friday, but this storm lingers all the way into Sunday. How about a high of 46 on Monday and then back to the 50s? Cedar City. Wind, snow, and potentially heavy snow on Saturday, lingering Sunday morning, and then gone. St. George. Saturday is the storm day. It'll be gone by Sunday, though. And in northern Utah, it is going to be a stormy day Thursday afternoon, most of this in the afternoon, and then Thursday night, Friday, with the cold front coming in about noon on Friday. And then heavy snow Friday night, Saturday morning, with snow on Saturday. Total accumulations. I'm going to go out on a limb here. In the Salt Lake Valley will be 4 to 8 inches with 8 to 12 inches on the benches, and locally higher amounts somewhere between Fillmore and Ogden, depending on where that Nevada low goes, where that Williams wave swings through the state.
So we'll be playing in the snow again this weekend.
We certainly will. Yeah. So that means if you don't need to go out and you don't need to drive, just stay home and put an extra log on the fire and watch KSL.
Not a bad call. Thanks a lot, Dan.
You're welcome.